It's quite easy to create a table in Microsoft Excel, but sometimes it gets a little tricky when you're trying to give it a title. Hello, my name is Daniel. Welcome to the IT Academy. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do. Just click on the subscribe button down there so you get more videos from me. Now, you've finished creating your table and you want to give it a heading. But Excel operates in a very peculiar way. In Excel, everything you type is put in a cell. It's not like Word, where you can center text against the whole page. You can see this example. When I type this, hello, it's in a cell, okay? Anything else I want to type, it's got to be in a cell, in a different cell. So that means if you want to center text, you can only center text within a particular cell. If I want to center this text, I'll have to click on the center and it is centered within this text. So that makes it a bit tricky when I want to give my table a heading. So to give my table a heading, I have to convert the heading has to be centered against this table. So I have to convert this range into a single cell so that I can type the heading in it so that it can be centered. Okay, so how do I do that? First of all, let me type the heading. I'll just call it my heading. Okay, so it's obviously not centered, so I want to center it and I have to merge the cells here. So I select the range that covers the width of the table. And then I go to the Home tab and the Alignment group. Then I will see the Merge and Center option. When I click on this arrow, it shows me all the merge options that are available to me. So what do? I click on Merge and Center. You can see that it has merged the cell. It's now one cell and the text inside it has been merged. Sorry, the text has been centered, okay? The cells have been merged and the text has been centered. Okay, so that makes it quite easy. Now, if I want to undo this, I simply have to click inside the cell and go back to the same place and unmerge cells. Okay, so what we did was merge and center. Okay, what if you want to merge but you don't want to center the text? Let's use this other example, my heading. Okay, so I highlight this range and then I go back here and select merge across. You can see that it has merged the cells, but it has not centered the text. Okay, so what else can we do? We can still use this merge across here. I can merge multiple rows. So I can highlight all this and then go to merge across. You can see that it has created rows, which you can use to type in short notes, comments, and things like that. So what else can we do here? Well, you can select a whole range vertically and horizontally. And then you go back to the merge options and select merge cells. Now, when you do this, it's going to create one big cell, okay? And in this big cell, you can type something. It will look quite small in it, but when you increase the size of the text, you see that it fits in quite well. So merge cells will simply merge both rows and columns into one single large cell. So with all this, if you want to go back to where you were before, you can always select that particular cell and then unmerge cells. Okay, so that is what we do when we want to merge cells to get a heading. I hope this video helped you now. Please, if you have comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the comment section and I'll do my best to answer them promptly. Thank you and bye for now.